You can use conditional build tags to mark content that only belongs to certain versions or outputs of help content. For example, you may have to limit content to only the essential information for the print version because of costs, but you want to include that content in the online version of the project since it will not affect production costs and would greatly help the users. You would apply a conditional build tag to the content that only goes in the online version so that you can easily exclude it when you create the print version. In the following steps, I will demonstrate some of the key features of working with conditional build tags and conditional content. First, to apply a conditional build tag to a topic, click on a topic under the Project Manager or highlight content in the Design Editor. I'm selecting the topic Organizing Courses in the 8 project. Next, click Format, Apply Conditional Build Tag, and select all of the tags that you want to apply. In this instance, I'm selecting the Online tag. When you deselect the topic in the Project Manager, it is now marked with colored hash marks. You can also apply conditional build tags to content by highlighting the content and following the same steps as I am quickly demonstrating here. Now, to remove the conditional build tag, click on the topic under the Project Manager or highlight the content in the Design Editor that already has a conditional build tag applied to it. Click Format, Apply Conditional Build Tag, and deselect the tags that you want to remove. In this example, I have only applied the Online tag. You can see that the colored hash marks have disappeared when you deselect the topic. Removing conditional build tags from content is the same process as removing the tags from a topic. While editing your project, you can choose to either hide or show the colored hash marks for conditional build tags applied to content. This is a nice option to have in the case that the hash marks are distracting you while editing the content. To switch between the setting to hide or show conditional build tags, click View, Show Conditional Areas. The tags will show if there is a checkmark beside the conditional areas, and they are hidden if the checkmark is missing. Just to warn you, the conditional content will always appear whether you are showing or hiding the tags. Finally, you will need to specify which tags of conditional content will be excluded from the output of the version of the project that you are producing. This is called generating conditional content. For example, if you are producing the print version, you have to specify that the content for only the online version will be excluded. In the Single Source Layouts pod, which is located in the bottom left corner of the screen, right-click Microsoft HTML Help Primary Layout, and in the menu that appears, click Properties. In the HTML Help Options dialog box, click Define, which is to the right of the Conditional Build expression box. In the next dialog box, you can click on any of your tags and exclude them from the output. Because I have only worked with the Online tag, let's exclude it from the output as if this were the print version. Use the arrow buttons to move the tags between the two fields. The tags that are placed in the field Available Tags will be included in the output. Note that if you don't exclude any tags from the output, all of the content will be included in the output of this version. Once you are finished, click OK. After you have defined which conditional build tags will be excluded from the output, you can either save out of the HTML Help Options dialog box and continue editing the project in RoboHelp, or you can click Save and Generate to generate the project as a CHUM file. If you don't know what a CHUM file is yet, don't worry because I'm covering that next. For now, I'm clicking Save to exit the dialog box while keeping the changes that I just made.